Well, ladies and gents, I've been looking for good quality car covers that are waterproof, and I think I found us a set. These waterproof car covers are from Audew. Well, friends, I'm going to open one of them up. I ordered two sizes. We ordered an extra large and an extra large for two different vehicles that we have. I'm going to put the extra large to the side so we can have some more room. Some of the things I liked about it, they come with their own carrying bag. So when you're done using them, you can put them up. They have an elastic hem to hold underneath the car so your wind doesn't blow it off. Give it a more secure fit. They're scratch resistant. They got waterproof buckles. They have double stitch seams. Nice silver color. Seem very rugged. You find one of the buckles. I know they're in here somewhere. They have snap buckles that are windproof. So you can snap them underneath your car so if you're in a windstorm. They're dust resistant, like I said before, scratch resistant, windproof. I can't wait to try them out on our classic cars. I don't personally have a garage. So we're going to go outside, we're going to see how they fit, and we'll go from there. Well, guys and girls, I made it outside. I have the car cover. We're going to put it on the car, see how well she fits. The car cover is marked front of the car. I don't have a garage, so I like car covers on my cars. Keep the bird droppings, the dust off of them. This is the extra large car cover. Nice elastic band. Fits up underneath the car. It really fits the car well. That's the Audew car cover. It does have elastic straps to run underneath the car so the wind can't blow it off. I personally can't get underneath this car, it's lowered, so you really have to reach underneath the newer car. It has spots in it for your mirrors for your newer style cars. They don't bulk up. It is UV resistant. Has straps in the front, the buckle underneath. Just run them over, buckle them, tighten them up. I've had a couple of car covers that I purchased from your local stores that I've come out and the car covers across town because the wind's ripped them off. None of them had tie straps, or they come with little strings. You're supposed to tie to parts of your car. I personally don't want that. I'm sure you all don't either. It is 100% waterproof, scratch resistant, tear resistant, UV resistant. I personally like it. I hope you all like it. I installed this car cover by myself. Little breeze out here, very easy to install by yourself. Just wrap the elastic underneath the car and pull it back. Very easy. A lot of these, cloth fabric ones, they just blow around and blow off, and by the time you get a corner tied, the other side's blown off. Better than a tarp. I think y'all will like it. Give it a try. Thanks for watching the review. Comments section below for details. Please like and share. Thank you and have a great day.